My fellow Kenyans, brothers and sisters from Africa, from all around the world, today it's with a heart broken that I'm coming before you to tell you a couple things that probably you never knew. But I'm sure you've been aware of the situation of Haiti from the past 30 years. So we are facing instability. We know a lot of crimes, poverty. So we are living a terrible situation. So talking about our situation, I'm sure you've heard that your government will be invading Haiti. So I'm talking about invasion. It's because we don't need a multinational intervention. And also, we don't know nothing about this intervention. We never voted for that. So the Prime Minister, we don't know him. We just wake up in the morning and then we saw him on power. He has been placed by the US government. So which means he's not working for us. We don't know him. So talking about invasion by the Kenyans, as African descent, which I'm proud of, I'm black and I'm proud of my blackness. But in the meantime, it makes me feel like the Kenyans or the African are traitors. Sorry if I feel that way. This is how I feel. Alright? Because we should be united in that situation that Haiti is fighting itself in this moment. It's a moment that you guys should send your support, but not to come and put us like in slavery. That doesn't make sense, because Haiti fought for you to be free today. Are you proud of Obama being the first black president in the world? It's because of Haiti. Because without Haiti, the word freedom or liberty would be meaningless. Liamuto is free today. He doesn't have chains on his feet, on his arms. He's not working in a sugar cane. It's because of Haiti. So Haiti is paying the debt for daring to liberate, to free the world. That's what is going on. So you should understand that. So it's not for the first time that the US is invading Haiti. So in 1915, they came, they killed a lot of people. They stole our gold, reserve, everything, the money that we had. They came back in 1994. In 2004, a lot of people died. So they came back in 2010 saying that they're gonna bring, solution with different names, Bini, Minister, and stuff like that. But, when they left dead bodies. You know why? Because they came with a disease and cholera. Until now, a lot of people are still infected. So according to the 4 times I've mentioned on this video, do you think that USA or Kenya have solutions? As I go from, they don't have any solution. So all they have to do is to leave us alone. Leave us alone. Because whenever they can, right, in the country, they left kids without father. They left only dead bodies. They rape our young boys. That's what they've done in the past. So we don't need an intervention. We need the US and Kenya to leave us alone. So my brothers from Africa, you need to come together and support Haiti through that situation, because we are paying a debt for daring, giving you freedom. So that's what is going on. So you need to put yourself, your voice together with ours. You could hear that they were digging our soul. They were stealing our resources. They even stole our goats. So that's what they've done in the past. So now I have to let you know, William Muto, Kenya, we will not welcome in Haiti, even though we are so kind. But coming to this country, it's like you will sow a seed of hatred, generation to generation. So our kids will study the history of Kenya being invaded Haiti instead of standing on our side or supporting us as we stood on your side from the past for you to be free today. If USA had the solution, if they wanted to solve the issue in Haiti, they would have invested the $200 million on our police, on our army, for us to fight delinquency. So I want you to understand this message that I'm sending you. I'm Haitian, proud to be it, African descent, proud to be it, and we're sending you love and peace.